Working in the fields for 3 to 4 hours at temperatures around 50 degrees Celsius is not an easy task. But our farmers have to do this every day to grow crops in the field. And sometimes, either due to animals or insects, or due to a wildfire, all their hard work ends up giving no result. But there is a solution. Presenting to you the field sensor system.
It has everything that a farmer needs. It has an automatic watering system, a fire protection system, and an animal protection system in it. This project consists of 4 main parts: the controlling unit, the water pump, the soil moisture sensor system, and the IR sensor system. Let's talk first about the soil moisture sensor system. The soil moisture sensor takes the reading of water content in the soil and sends these readings to the controlling unit. If the value of water content in the soil goes less than a fixed threshold, then the controlling unit will automatically turn on the water pump. This threshold can be set by the farmer according to the crops grown in his field, and he or she can also set the time for which the pump has to be turned on. Now let's talk about the IR sensor system. The IR sensor system is for two purposes. Firstly, it will detect the presence of any animal like cow, goat, etc. in a field and give the readings to the controlling unit. If there is any animal in the field, the IR sensor will send digital signal to the controlling unit, and the controlling unit will then automatically turn on the alarm. The second purpose of the IR sensor is to detect the presence of any fire in the field. The IR sensor will sense the infrared radiation emitted by the fire in the field and send its signal to the controlling unit. Then the controlling unit will again automatically turn on the alarm. This project has two advantages. Firstly, by this system the farmer does not have to physically work and water the plants in his field. Secondly, if there is any fire in the farm or there is any animal grazing the crops, this system will automatically turn on the alarm and alert the farmer, thereby saving the farm from any damage. Now let's see how this project works in real life. So let's see how it works. So this is the whole model of the field sensor system. This is a small scale farmland. This is the circuit board and this is the water tank with the water pump. Now we will first talk about the circuit board. So in the circuit board you can see this is the Arduino Mega board, which is kind of the brain of this whole system, and this is the motor driver module L298N which drives the pump accordingly. Now both the Arduino Mega and the motor driver comprises the controlling unit, and you can see here this is the soil moisture sensor and this is the IR sensor. Now I am going to turn on this whole system, but before I turn on I want to tell you that at this time this whole farm is dry. So when I will turn on the system, the pump should be automatically turned on. So let's see if it turns on. So as you can see, the pump has been turned on and it's supplying the water. Now it will be turned off automatically in the real system because the pump at that time will be connected to the farm. But here I have not done this, and I am putting some water with this dropper on the soil moisture sensor. After this, the pump should be automatically turned off. So let's see if it works. So as you can see, the pump has been automatically turned off, and this shows that the watering system is working properly. Now let us see if the IR sensor system works automatically. So here you can see this is the IR sensor, and if the IR sensor will detect the presence of any fire or any animal in the farm, it will turn the buzzer on automatically. So I am going to put my finger in front of it, and this will simulate the presence of any animal in front of the IR sensor. And when I will do this, the buzzer should be turned on automatically. So let's see if it works. So as you can see, whenever I am putting my finger in front of the IR sensor, the buzzer is turned on. So let us see if the IR sensor is able to detect any fire in the farm. So here I have a matchstick and I am going to light it up. hope that this system will help the farmers in their fields and give them a happy life. This project was made by me, Pratham Sinha, and I thank you for watching this video.